Hello guys, welcome back to the stream once again. As you can see right now, I'm mining using the 2 miner pool. I'm mining the Nano payout LHR unlock settings using that I am mining Ethereum. So I've been doing this for the last 1 week, believe it or not. So and my secondary card is still mining only coin mineable by it. It is the Raven, and I will share Raven mining later on. Let's discuss about Ethereum alter mining. So right now, as you all know, you have an alternate option by 2 miners to get your payouts using Nano payout. So far it has been very good. I've been receiving regular payouts every day without any much of reduction in the gas fee. And if you compare with your Nano payout as well as the Ethereum charges, you can go to Google or CoinGecko. You can search Ethereum to Nano payout. So first thing will come is 2 miners. You can check on that. It's so simple. So current market, this thing is quite easy. I'll show you guys. Today morning only I have referred to that. So 1 nano is approximately roughly very low actually. 1 nano is 0.000 something of Ethereum, yeah, 0.0013 of Ethereum. So given my current mining capabilities, I am able to mine roughly as you can see here, my reward is in the last 60 minutes nothing, because I didn't mine. I kept the system resting. It is thunderstorm here. For the last 12 hours I mined around 207.0002 Ethereum. So that is a quite good number. That is approximately 0.85 USD, and I made around $2.5 without mining. For the last 1 hour I made $2.58 in Ethereum using Nano payout method. So how much payouts did I get? So I'll post a screenshot here right now of my Trust wallet. So I got regular payouts, and it was very stable, and the hash rates were also very stable. As you can see, the number of shares I got also very stable, and there was a small hiatus between 3 p.m. 2:30 to 5:30 p.m. here local time, because there was too much of rain and thunderstorm here. Other than that, there was like every 3 minutes you will get one share. That was very quite good. So last week you can see I have been continuously mining from 10th to 19th to 24 almost. So on a monthly average, the time is still not over. You have more time to see. We'll see it later on. So my output is, yes guys, it's worth it. You don't have to pay any gas fees as 2 miners guys. You guys rock, guys. And thank you for the update by Seb Heslo. Thank you guys. Now going to what happened during this mining process. So I did a bit of experiment. So as you can see now, the tuner has gone for locking. This happens because I just opened a browser. It happens. So whenever you do something like that, your miner will detect a lock and it will go for this thing. So the best thing next to do is actually close this and restart it. So I'm not going to do that now. I'm just going to finish up this video for the time being. So what's happening, I'll tell you. So much of process is going in the background, but still it is going back to the normal. Now it has come to 68, but it will keep on trying. It will keep on trying to improve the LHR. Whatever you do, just wait for some time, it will go back. So that's there. And now we'll come to the mining log. So my desktop is very untidy today. The main reason is quite simple. I've been mining and I was checking with different mining options. So in the beginning I used NB miner, and then I went on to Trex. So what are my outputs? So I'll first discuss Trex because that's the one I am continuing to mining, and I'll tell you why. Here once, I think I have some. Yeah, sorry guys. Yeah. So this was the first experiment which I did on 21st. As you can see here, the date is there, 21st. So we did the mining in the morning hours. So steady hash rate of 34. That is what you can expect with Trex. It didn't fluctuate much. It either goes to somewhere around 33.8 and 34. So the average will be roughly between 34. The ones registered in the network is also between 30 and 34. So it is quite stable that way around. On 21st, I did a regular mining session in which I got an average hash rate of 33 and around 34ish. So I became a little bit confident, and I went on to search for a better overclock setting in MSI Afterburner, and then I found out a good stable one, and I applied to it. I'll come to the overclock settings later. So then on the second day, on 22nd, you can see here the date, it is 22nd of October. I was able to get an average miner hash rate around 35 to 36 up to, it was showing, sometimes it was showing up to 36.4. So, but the stable hash has gone by 1. So it is quite significant when you compare, when an total mining of mining rate of only 35, then even 1 hash is significant increase. So that was a good number, and it was doing quite well for one whole day. Okay, then I kept it like that, and it was running smoothly. And I don't know what happened in between. Suddenly on the next day, like when I started mining, this was like on, no, not this one, I'll show you guys. So on 23rd, that is next day, I started mining around 10 a.m. in the morning. There was some power outages and other issues were there. So on the next day, I started mining, and incidentally, it was okay. It started mining okay, and it was never hitting that speeds again. I don't know what happened. I didn't change the mining settings or anything. It was going up to 35, stabilized around 34.9, something like that. And towards the end, there was a couple of GPU crash events. So this has happened. The graphics card was unresponsive, so the miner has restarted. And then the mining rates, as you can see, had never picked up that. It has then been fluctuating around 34 and 35ish. That is the range. So there was a restart event. So then I found searched for what happened. Again, it was trying to improvise, but the mining rates were still low, on the lower side. So I had to close the miner and I had to restart it again. So on 23rd, so this had happened, and I said I restarted it again. So this is like the third attempt. Then also it crashed again, like 2 or 3 times. With that particular overclock setting, it was crashing every now and then. And whenever it crashes and restarts, the hash rates is very significantly going down. So then I went and decided, okay, let's check what is the problem, whether it is the overclock settings or something else. Then I shut down everything, and then today is 25th, as you can see. Yesterday I didn't touch the system, it was completely mining on its own. So this is yesterday's mining report. So as you can see, it was up almost 1 day, 3 hours 59 minutes, and the hash rate was standardized stable 34 to 33, 34, something like that. So it was going smoothly like that. There was no crashes. So what I found is someone else overclocking settings will not work with your card, given that you are attempting to do an LHR number on this particular card. And current Trex or in NB miner, you can up or down the LHR automatically. You can set to that mode. So this happens. So what I did was I accidentally put LHR auto tune off. So that might would have caused the crash. That's what my finding is. Now my settings I have changed. So in the Trex miner, so this is the one way I am using the pool. So these are the 2 ones which I made it on that day. So this one I have set the LHR auto tune mode to full. Okay, this one was crashing actually. Now I am using this one, in which I have removed that argument, and I have just put simply mining, no argument on LHR. So LHR is running default as it pleases. So that's what I got. So guys, don't bother about an increase of 2 or 1 mega hashes. It's not worth it, because if your hash rates keep on fluctuating from A to C without going to B, you will not get a share. Take from my output, you will not get a share. See, whenever my algorithm was stable, so you can see here 1 hour mining, I got roughly around 39 shares, 1 hour 47-minute mining. So the same thing when you extrapolate to a stable day like yesterday, when it keep on mining for 1 day, 3 hours and all, it was going very nicely. There was no crashes, there was no zero rejection. That is important, guys. You should not have any rejection, zero rejection. That is more important than getting a stay and getting a higher hash rate. So this is the overclock setting for my 3060 LHR card. I am using an Asus Tough Series card. If you have my card, you follow this LHR setting. Don't tweak it more than this. It will crash. Take my word, it will crash. Somehow it will become unstable. You don't need anything more than this. Even if you increase it to plus 65 or plus 70, my increase will be very nominal and it will not be stable. I tried locking the core and all, locking the voltage and all. It is not happening much. It is still fluctuating. So guys, if your card is one like mine, please follow these steps and don't get into trouble with your graphics card. Okay, so this is the hash rate settings I am using. So try this out, give your feedback. Thank you guys. Hope you enjoyed the video. Stay tuned. I am putting in on next video. As you can see, I've already made a log file on that. I had to do furthermore experiment on that. I am doing a new video on multi-coin mining with Raven. The first experiment was a flop. I think there are some internal components to that. I will do a next experiment and I will come back to you guys. So stay tuned. If you like the video, please press the bell icon, subscribe, and stay tuned for more. Thank you guys.